Here's how to make labels in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs document. At the top, click on Extensions, then go to Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Labels. From the results, choose the label add-on you want to use and click Install. After that, connect your Google account and click Done, then close the window. Now, go back to Extensions again. You will see the add-on you installed. Click on it, then select Create Labels. Next, under Label Template, click to open the options and choose the template you want. For this example, I'm selecting the first one, then click Use. Now, click on the first cell in the template. Here you can design your label by adding text, formatting, or anything you need. Once your label design is ready, click on Create Labels again. Wait a few seconds, then click on Open Document. A new tab will open, and your labels will be ready. Now you can save or print them as needed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.